Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite no sound on Windows. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you are experiencing no sound in Fortnite on your Windows PC, here are some steps you can take to resolve the issue. First of all, basic troubleshooting. Check the volume mixer. Right-click on the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Ensure that Fortnite is not muted and the volume is set to 100. Set default playback device. Right-click the speaker icon and select Sound Settings. Choose your output device from the drop-down menu and set it as the default. Update audio drivers. Open Device Manager by typing it in Windows search bar. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Advanced Fixes. Disable audio enhancements. Right-click the speaker icon and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab. Right-click your output device and select Properties. In the Enhancements tab, check the box for Disable all enhancements and click Apply. Run Fortnite as administrator. Right-click the Fortnite shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Update DirectX. Ensure you have the latest version of DirectX installed on your computer. Reinstall Fortnite. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling Fortnite to ensure all files are correctly installed. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.